Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about geometry, the topic that is about the cont. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we need to find the volume after 20 seconds. So that means we use about this one multiplied by this one, so we can get the volume in here. So this one we have 4050 B in here. So on the next one we can create about the ratio in here. The first thing that is about the radius over the height. So because this one on this one, so the ratio in here they don't change with the big one, so the radius that is about 30, that is gone here over 50. So we can simplify and we got about R equals to 3 over 5 H. Now the next one, the question they want to find the height. So the formula of the cone, that is about V equals to 1 over number 3 R square B H. And now in this one we have the volume that is from here. The question they want to find the height, so we need to change R into 3 over 5 H. So now this one is so simple to calculate about H, and this one we got about H equals to 32.31, and we can see that there is no correct answer in here, and this is the answer for the question. That is the end. Thank you for watching.